This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making stir-fry Mongolian beef. I have here 400 grams of beef chuck tender. Slice this into about half cm thick. For this dish, we don't want our beef slices to be too thin. If you are having problems slicing it, put the beef in the freezer for about 2 hours to make it semi-solid. This makes it easier to slice. When you are done slicing, marinate the beef with 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. Give it a dash of pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. We are using the baking soda as a tenderizing agent. Massage the beef till all the marinade has been absorbed. If you find that it's too dry, add in about 2 tablespoons of water. Next, add in 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. The cornstarch will give the beef a nice coating and prevent it from drying out when you're cooking it. For the sauce, use 100 ml of water and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. One teaspoon of sesame oil and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix this well till all the cornstarch has been dissolved. For this dish, we will also need 5 slices of ginger, julienne, 3 cloves of garlic, roughly chopped, 1 bunch of spring onions, separated into the white and green parts, cut the green parts into about 3 inches in length. In a pan over medium-high heat, add in 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, fry the beef. Spread the beef in 1 layer at the bottom of the pan. When the beef has turned brown, something like this, toss the beef and fry the other side. When both sides are brown, remove the beef. I would usually tell you to push the meat aside while you fry the other ingredients. However, in this case, you don't want the beef to be overcooked, or otherwise it will turn out dry and hard. So, remove the beef. Then, over medium heat, add in a little more oil, and fry the aromatics till they are fragrant. These being the ginger, the garlic, and the white parts of the spring onions. When they are fragrant, add in the beef. Then pour in the sauce. Stir fry this till the sauce has thickened and the beef slices are well coated. Put in the green parts of the spring onions. Mix this well and turn off the heat. This is stir-fry Mongolian beef.